Yes, that you want me, but I know I'm myself. Oh, Amazon is not playing around, y'all. Look at my cherries. What a day, you guys. This is Maddie, and welcome back to my channel. Obviously, your girl worked out because I'm fit. No, that was a struggle. Thank you for stopping by my channel. I am back to YouTube and loving it, and it's a great outlet for me to just kind of do these videos because I talk to myself all day anyway, so why not put it in a film? Today on What a Day with Maddie P, you're in luck today if you pop through on this channel and you're kind of wondering why it's on your feed, all right? What a Day with Maddie P. Today, we got some Amazon stuff. Let's see, go! Oh, it's me! Oh, man, I'm gonna have to work on the accent. Mario! Anyway, Amazon costume. Great idea. First, I want to call out the ever so cute trend of the cropped puffer jacket sleeveless shindig. So I bought this. Best purchase. Super good quality. Already put it on a hanger, which is a shocker. You're into puffer jackets, but you kind of want that fall, not super winter vibe yet. I love this. They have it in tons of colors, but I got a little bit of an army green, so the ever so cute trend of the, parachute pants. Love it. A little David Beckham, Hailey Bieber vibe. That's like a wide range right there. These were a great buy. I've seen them everywhere. I mean, you can get them on a lot of different sites. I do have a pair from Urban Outfitters, which I love, but I wanted more. I didn't feel I needed to go spend a ton. These are great. They are big, so the ones on Amazon are definitely going to run bigger, so I have to tie them kind of tight because obviously, look at this, I work out, I'm sweaty, so I have to tie these tight. So another cute find. Okay, so this has got to be one of my favorite Amazon purchases. Yes, everything's on a hanger, guys. Amazon did not provide the hangers, but I would not be mad if they did. Is the cutest cropped sweater. Ideally, I'll try this stuff on in the next take of this video, but for now I wanted to show this. This is kind of a dupe. I saw the cutest sweater online. Here it is. I thought it was amazing. The fruit or whatever you want to call them, little cherries, they popped off the sweater. These are going to be a little bit more flat, but I love it. It's thick enough for a fall moment. Wear a little turtleneck, maybe some high-waisted leather cargo pants. Not to be specific, but that's what I wore. Look at this. I'm so fruity. Cherries fruit. I mean, just we'll figure it out. Another cute little purchase. Obviously, a bodysuit that I did not need, but got it. This is a bodysuit. You better strap your girls in, I'm telling you. You don't want things flopping and flooping around that you don't want flopping and flooping around. So I got another long sleeve bodysuit. What a day. Thank you guys for stopping in. My name is Maddie. I plan to upload super regularly. It's October 2023. We're thriving. Hope you have a wonderful day. Do you. Be kind. It's such a cute hat, I know. Stay beautiful. All right. Thank you guys for stopping by. I'll see you guys next week.